Searching for a healthy way to fight off your hunger? It's time for a snack attack. Hi, I'm Erin, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'm serving up a delicious recipe for one of my favorite seasonal snacks, maple cinnamon trail mix. This turbocharged trail mix is easy to make and sweet to eat, so let's get started. To begin, add a half cup of walnuts to a heavy sauce pot over medium heat. Cook and stir the nuts for 2 to 3 minutes until they're toasted and move them to a large bowl. These little guys are a great source of heart-healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Next, add in a half cup of pepitas, a half cup of shelled pistachios, and set the bowl aside for later. Now, we're going to heat 2 tablespoons of Gustare Vita olive oil in our sauce pot. Add 1/3 cup of yellow popcorn kernels along with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Stir the mix until each kernel is completely coated. Then cover the pot and wait for the corn to pop. You'll want to shake the pot and vent periodically until you hear the popping stop. That means it's time to move our maple popcorn into the nut bowl. Once that's done, drizzle a half tablespoon of melted salted butter over the mix, and then sprinkle with a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of apple pie spice. Toss the bowl a little to coat the contents with our festive fall flavors. Last, add a 1/4 cup of chopped dried apples, followed by a half cup of golden raisins. These fruity nuggets of golden goodness provide the body with potassium, fiber, and essential minerals. Move the popcorn to your serving bowl and toss the mix until it's all combined. Then open wide and savor the flavor of this ultra-healthy trail mix snack. For more Hy-Vee Healthy You recipes, head to Hy-Vee's YouTube channel. And remember, you can always connect virtually with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at hyvee.com/health.